Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Slayed by LD, and today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to put on lashes.
She's like, yeah, yes, I'm wanting you. Heart pumping like you. Baby, rotate to the tune. I can make you my baby, no way. Touching on your body like it's sexual. 18 plate, not Toronto. Yeah, we making money, baby, but we spend all. I can change your life when I step through. And it's like, baby, can you give it to me? No.
Now, lashes are something that I actually struggled with. Like, it took me a while to learn how to put on lashes because first I didn't have this glue. This glue is the best. It's called the Dual Lash Glue with the wand, which just makes it really easy just to put on. Before I had the bonding glue. Now everyone knows about this glue. Everyone knows about this glue. It's just no. And I know some of you guys are struggling, and I'm going to take you guys out of your misery. Now first, take your favorite pair of lashes. I got a whole bunch. I'm gonna be using these ones. They're real cute and they're simple and nice. I'm just going to be using that to teach you guys how to apply the lashes. These really cute lashes. And they're from it's from AliExpress. I'm just gonna take the lashes, and I'm just gonna apply a thin layer on the band, just like so. I'm just gonna apply it. Hold on, I'm not even checking if you guys can see. I'm just gonna apply that, just like that. Now, very important, you get the one with the wand with the green writing. It will make your life so much easier. And I'm gonna apply a thin layer. I'm gonna apply a thin layer on my lash line. And because it dries clear, you can go as messy as you want. So if you don't have the steadiest of hands, it won't show. Just like that, see? Just clean it off. And I'm just gonna draw. Now I'm going to be using a mascara. This one's from ELF. You can just get a random mascara. It doesn't have to be expensive or anything. Just to make your real lashes as dark as possible, so it can blend in with the false ones. I'm just going to be applying that. Dang. Now make sure, like when you watch videos, they always say make sure it's tacky. That is the truth. Make sure the glue is tacky or else it won't stick. So it's like kind of bluish. You can see like right there. It's kind of bluish. That means that it's tacky. And when it starts to clear up, see how it was blue? It's starting to clear up on my eye. That's how I know it's time to put them on. Now, I'm just going to look down. You can see my mirror right here. I'm just looking down. Now, take the lashes in the middle, from the middle right here. And I'm just going to pop them on, like so. And then I'm just going to adjust the ends. Hold on, I think I should zoom in. Oh shit. Oh, I'm just gonna pop them right I'm just going to use my fingers to, you know, blend that in with my raw ones. No, it's stuck. It's stuck. Just like that. As you can see, it's tacky. I got my mirror and I'm just going to look down and I'm just going to pop them on. Just like so. And I'm just going to fix the ends. And smack them together. There we go. Lashes are on. Very simple. It requires practice, I cannot lie. Sometimes you can just get like that, sometimes not. So make sure you practice. It's really easy once you get the gist. Like, make sure it's tacky, put it on, adjust the sides, and that's it. The glue really helps. It just makes it so quick and easy. So thank you guys. I hope you learned something from this. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.